Dear valued Creality community, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits.
I am Adam Ao, the CEO of
Creality,
Creality.
and I'm writing you today to express my deepest thanks.
Our journey began in 2014, and it has been nothing short of extraordinary.
Maybe you remember your first 3D printer with fondness, but let me assure you that I feel the very same way.
The moment when I saw our very first printer, the CR3, is etched in my memory. The CR3 was our first baby steps, and from there, we worked our way towards the Ender 3. What an impressive series that has proven to be.
It has become a console for makers across the globe. It serves as the gateway to the world of 3D printing for countless makers, maybe even for you.
To date, we've proudly delivered over 2 million Ender 3 units to passionate users like you around the globe.
Witnessing the incredible creations that emerge from these printers warms my heart. Can you believe that this marvel has been with us for 7 years?
To each and every one of you who has contributed to the vibrant Ender Plus printer community, I extend my deepest gratitude.
To rookies and professionals who have been part of this journey with us reaching 1 million followers, it is your collective efforts that have paved the way for the newer models we cherish today. Without your unwavering support, the evolution of Creality wouldn't have been possible.
Over the years, the dedicated Creality team has worked tirelessly to expand our product lines, offering an array of 3D printers.
While I may not know which specific model has found a place in your creative endeavours, each one holds a special place in my heart. These printers are like my own children, each a testament to our shared journey.
As we approach our 10th anniversary, I reflect on the milestones we have achieved together.
From the CR3 to the CR7, the CR10, the workhorse Ender series, the innovative Halite resin printers, and the latest impressive K1 series.
Each product has been a labor of love and innovation. Your invaluable feedback and unwavering support have propelled us forward.
Our venture toward eco-community, Creality Cloud, established in 2021, was developed because we wanted to create a platform where users can freely unleash their creativity. Some of you have been sharing your works in Creality Cloud from the very beginning, and I wanted to say a big thank you for that.
It is your trust that has transformed Creality Cloud from a mere model-sharing space into the vibrant heart of the Creality ecosystem. Through this, we have introduced a range of creativity-driven products, including laser engravers and 3D scanners.
Although I am the CEO of Creality, I never feel that I'm very far away from our users. Listening to the Creality community is very important to me. I know each of you has expectations that drive us forward, improving quality, consistent printing, and innovative printer designs. I cherish this input very much. Be assured that we are working hard on meeting your valued expectations. Now Creality is expanding to become a global brand, and every Creality team from all over the world is a very important part of our company. Ideas and words spoken on the other side of the world may represent the direction Creality will go in the future. I sincerely invite you to keep the conversation going.
As we approach the season of gratitude, I want to take this moment to express my deepest appreciation for being part of the Creality family. Your trust, creativity, and passion have been the driving force behind our progress, and for that, I am truly thankful. I look forward to many more years of innovation, collaboration, and shared success. Warm regards, Adam Ao, CEO, Creality.
Dear Adam, I'm Ian, but most people call me Mitch. Firstly, I would like to express my sincere thanks for your recent letter to me and the rest of the Creality community. It was heartening to know that a CEO of a major company has the time to reach out to their customers and members of its community.
Dear Mr.Ao, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. I am writing to express my heartfelt gratitude for the exceptional products Creality has provided to the world, your remarkable 3D printers. Over the years, I have been fortunate enough to experience the incredible capabilities of your 3D printers. These machines have not only revolutionized the world of manufacturing and design, but have also significantly impacted the lives of countless individuals, including myself.
Mr.Ao, it's my honor to receive a thank you letter from you. My first Creality print was the CR10S around the summer of 2018. After I got my 3D printer, you guys started to have the first live stream on July 25th, and that was my birthday. What a serendipity! That's when my journey started with Creality.
To Mr.Ao, thank you for the letter that you shared with myself and the community. I look back on the 7 or so years that my relationship with Creality has been with many fond memories. My first purchase of an Ender 3 printer for my birthday, teaching other users how to fix or troubleshoot their machines in the Facebook group, with it becoming my 120-page help guide that has been on the corporate side and other user groups to aid others.
I started as a member of the community, but found that my knowledge was of use to others, so was pleased to be invited to become one of the first Creality community assistant. I continued to do this and have also written articles for Creality and helped with other aspects of this app, such as translation and promotional materials. I also started a group of the app which has 11,000 members and counting. I now also write articles regularly for many online sources, including All 3DP and other high-profile 3D printing publications.
And the edification of running the Facebook groups as lead admin to force a warm and open space for all users to share experiences, get repair help when needed, and just hang out in the community that is being a Creality 3D printer owners. Even creating an opportunity to work with a few of the resellers at Amazon, refurbishing the user returns to make some extra income, as I can work on them after work in my travels. I dare say with those and all the tests and personal units I have assembled or set up or repaired over 400 printers over the years, I give thanks to the past and look forward to many more years of cooperation with your company.
I believe it is crucial to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work, dedication, and innovation that the entire Creality team have put into making these outstanding 3D printers. Your products have empowered individuals like myself to explore our creativity, bring ideas to life, and contribute to a more technologically advanced and sustainable future.
I hope to continue working closely with Creality for many years to come, and look forward with excitement to seeing where the amazing technology of 3D printing will take us.
I hope our relationship will continue with not just the company user, but also a friend of yours and each one of the Creality employers.
Sincerely,
Thanks.
Luke Heartfelt.
Lou Willis.
Ian Mitch.